computers are what give the internet its power. They surround us, they empower us, they bind the network together.
Help me, Obi-Windows. You're my only hope.
Hello there. Come here, my little friend. Don't be afraid. I am Master Obi-Windows, and I am here to train you in the vast universe of computers and the internet. I've received many letters from viewers wondering how to use a computer, how to perform certain tasks on websites, and what technical terms mean in simple language. Let's proceed with our next letter, shall we? Nanny Jacosta asks, Dear Obi-Windows, what is a URL? Or more accurately, how is that different from a website? I know what an address is for a website. It begins with www. But sometimes tech support tells me specifically to go to a URL. Aren't they the same thing? Nanny Jacosta, you're very nearly correct there. A URL, or Uniform Resource Locator, is the precise address of a website. It does indeed contain the www designation. However, the URL does not actually begin with www, not specifically. Do you see here how I have reached the Microsoft website? Many would refer to this web address as Microsoft.com, but that is not its URL. Some tech support people may even begin with www.microsoft.com, but even that is only half the truth. Looking here at the address bar, we see the actual URL for the site, https://www.microsoft.com/en-ca. Now, do not panic that this address seems a bit too lengthy. It is merely a means to an end door. The HTTPS is the protocol used, hypertext transfer. Then we have the host name, www.microsoft.com. And in my case, as I am visiting from outside of the United States, we have the page en-ca, indicating that I wish to view the English version of the site. If I were in the United States, I would likely see a different page at the end of that URL. So you may ask, why does your tech support use the phrase URL instead of address or site? Often it is the force of habit. But occasionally, a support person is asking you to go to a very specific location on a website. Hence, they say to go to one exact URL. For example, I may have difficulty with my eBay account, and if I call up my tech support and tell them the website I am on is eBay, they will likely need me to focus on one very small target area of that site. It could be a small part right below the main part. Perhaps my password is the trouble. Simply navigating to ebay.com will not suffice for a fix. They may advise me to go to the URL ebay.com/signin, or something very similar to that. That is where the URL can be so handy yet so confusing at the same time. I do hope that clarifies for you, Nanny Jacosta, the difference between a URL and a website. What your tech support advises you is true from a certain point of view. Until the next time we meet, surf the web carefully, my friends. Your destination lies along a different path from mine. Farewell.